Hello guys, it's me Torofatso Motlajo again. Thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel Varsity Blues. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple serial dilution calculation. I've already written down the question. It says serially dilute a solution of egg white to a dilution factor of 5,000 times. So we're going to serially dilute egg white 5,000 times. We were not given a starting point, so I'm just going to start at five times because I don't want to be working with fractions, and yeah, I don't want to make this whole thing, the whole serial dilution, complicated. So I'm just going to start with 5 and okay, so I'll be starting with a 5 times dilution. Which is going to be one part of what? Egg white plus 4 parts of water, distilled water, right? So what's 1 part of 5? We were also not given a volume in the question, so I'm just going to decide to do 5 mils of the dilution. So 1 part of egg white and 4 parts of the H2O will be 1 mil. 1 mil egg white plus 4 mils of water. The second step now would be to do a 50 times dilution from the 5 times that's already been prepared. So 50 dilution so our new dilution, in order to get our new dilution factor, we have to divide 50 by 5. So it will be 50 times divided by 5 times, which will be 10. So our new dilution factor will be 10. So we're still going to keep the volume at 5. We're not going to change the volume. We're going to use 5 mils throughout. And it's still going to be 1 part of the 5 times dilution, of the 5 times diluted solution. 1 part of 5 times solution plus 9 parts. 9 parts of water, distilled water. 1 part of the 5 times. 1 part of the 5 times solution will be 0.5 mils. 0.5 mils. And then 9 parts will be 4.5 mils. We now have 5 mils of the egg white solution which has been diluted 50 times. The next step now would be to take the 50 times dilution to a 500 times dilution, which will give us a new dilution factor of, let's see, it's going to be 500 divided by 50 times, which gives us a new dilution factor of 10 times again. Now, this will also give us, when we break it down, we will have 1 part of the 50 times diluted solution and 9 parts of distilled water, which is going to be 1/10 times 5 mils. It's 0.5 mils again, mils, and 9 it'll give us 4.5 again of water. So here we also have 5 mils of the egg white solution, which has been diluted now 500 times. The final step would be to take the 500 times dilution to a 5,000 times dilution, which will also give us a new dilution factor of 10 times, as we divided 5,000 by 500. So in this case, like the other two, we will also have 1 part of the 500 times dilution and 9 parts of distilled water. So we will have 1/10 times 5 mil, 0.5, and we will have 9 times 5 mils. It's going to be 4.5 mils. Yes, so we are done. We now have 5 mils of the 5,000 times diluted egg white solution. So we did it in 4 steps. We did the 5 times, the 50 times, the 500 times, and finally the 5,000 times dilution. You can do it either way. You don't have to use the factors that I used. You can use your own. I just did not want to complicate it. I chose this one because it was the simplest. The trick here is to look at the marks allocated for your question. If it's a lot of marks, then you must make sure that you make it a bit longer, like I did the 5 times, 50 times, 500 times, and 5,000 times. It's 4 steps, so it should be enough. But if it's like maybe 2 marks or 3 marks or so, you can just shorten it a bit. You can also do what 5 times, 100 times, and 5,000 times, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 500 and 5,000. That's just three steps. Another mistake that I used to make was I always forgot to determine the new dilution factor. It's very important that you determine the new dilution factor. You must divide the desired dilution factor by the one that you are diluting your solution from in order to get the working dilution factor, the one that you're going to work out your cereal dilution with. So guys, that's it for me today. If the video helped you, please give the video a like and please share. Do not forget to share and subscribe. Also click on the bell so you do not miss any important content from us. If there's a question that you would like me to answer for you or help you with, you can comment with the question on the comment section below, or you can email me the question using the email that I attached, the link that I attached on the video description. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video upload by me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.